back to our fun learning channel, Mini Mathematician. Today, we are going to learn one-digit number addition with the help of our cute little frog and a weighing scale. Are you ready? Let's begin. Now, let's start with the first addition. We will add 2 plus 3. Let's count the frog together while I put them on the weighing scale. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, you are absolutely right, kids. After adding 2 and 3, we get the answer 5. Now, let's try the next one. We will add 2 plus 1. Count with me, everyone. 1, 2, 3. Yay! After adding 2 and 1, we got the answer 3. And now comes the last question. Are you ready for a challenge? Let's add 5 plus 8. Start counting with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yay! We got the answer 13. Amazing job, kids. See how easy it is. You can do addition by counting toys or any objects you have at home. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time, kids. Bye bye. Have fun.